Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So we went to Hobby Lobby this weekend, the OHL. Thought, you know what? I saw online, 40% off. Thought, let's see what they got. It's getting close to Christmas time, so I figured they'd stocked up. So long and behold, I went in there and I thought, you know what? I have a Lightning kit already, Gen 1. I like that truck. I love the body style. That's just a cool looking pickup. Just that old school look, can't go wrong. So they had this in here, and I thought, beautiful. I snagged it. But this is a catcher. This is the kicker that I loved it. Loved it. Check out that price on there, guys. So I don't know if that was just a Christmas time thing, but almost all the kits in there were this price. And I see it's a different tag than the other tags they had. So I was kind of excited to see that. Plus with the 40 off. So if it was 40% off on a $39 kit, I mean, that's still not bad. I'm okay with that. I just wouldn't buy it without the 40%. But you know what? If this is the way they're going, hey, that's awesome. Maybe they're listening. Maybe Hobby Lobby's paying attention. I don't know. But we'll see. Time will tell. Because there was not a lot of them at the 37 to 39 mark. A lot of them were $29. And they even had a couple of them at 24. And I thought, ooh, that was nice. So other than that, I got a mail call. A little mail run, if you will. Postman dropped some stuff off, and I got some stuff from Amazon. So, little backpedal story here. This Friday, I think it's going to be this Friday. Two things. I'm going to be doing my raffle for the gift card for everybody that's put their number in. Everybody that has, I appreciate that. Thank you. And also, I have a good friend of mine coming over. His name's Jerry. Jerry got with me the other day, and he is a airbrush messiah. I mean, this guy knows how to airbrush. He's that guy like on the shows you see out in California, the chopper shows and all these that does the gas tanks and the fender flares and the hoods and all this stuff. That's that guy. He does this stuff. He does ghost flames. He does the skulls, the smoke. He does all this stuff. He's very good. So he says, hey, let's do a little tutorial, maybe do some flames on a model kit. And I thought, perfect, that'd be cool. What do you want to do? So he says, hey, let's do like a little buddy build maybe. I thought, okay. And he says, let's find a 40s Willys coupe. And I thought, ooh, I haven't seen that online in a while. And I thought, well, I'll look on eBay and see what's out there because I had not seen them in the store. So you guys know what that means. If they're not in the store, I mean, eBay wants $50, $100. So that's what they were, $50, $100. One was $130. I thought, come on, guys, $100. That's a $25 kit. So anyways, I looked on there and I told him, dude, I can't find any. We might have to get something different. So he texted me a couple other items back and I thought, we'll see. We'll see what we can do. And he was looking for a specific body style to do the flame jobs on. And I said, I got one of those, some 32 coupes, some Forge, we could do something like that. And he said, well, we can't find the Willie. So I looked on there one more time and some guy just posted on there 2 of them. Check this out. I picked these up for $50 on eBay. $50. And that was with shipping. I thought, heck yeah. Awesome. So basically same kit, just different box art. And they're still in the plastic. I mean, come on, you can't go wrong with that. So I was pretty happy about that. So those showed up the other day. Put these down here. My bench is a mess. It's trashed. Gotta clean it. So Amazon dropped off the other day. Another little item adding to the bench here, some tools. Got me another spray station. I love this thing. I mean, if you guys don't have one of these, and I know most of you guys do. This is my second one. I have this guy here, and I use the death out of it. And I thought, there's times I need another one because I have sometimes one, cooking away an old Susie Baker over there. And I thought I wouldn't mind doing something else. Plus, it gives you that extra stand. This guy, I like this thing with all the extra clips. For the money it wasn't bad. So I figured, why not? So speaking of my buddy coming over this weekend, you guys probably see it on the thumbnail. My wife got with me and she's like, hey, I got you something. I was like, oh yeah? Like, cool, what'd you get me? And she says, I wasn't going to tell you, I was going to make a surprise, but I want to make sure you got the right one. I was like, all right. And she's like, I got your new airbrush. I was like, really? What'd you get me? So she says, I don't want to tell you. Well, anyways, a while back was in the Hobby Lobby. And last summer, and I told her, I says, man, I wouldn't mind one of those Iwatas. They had the Eclipse in there. And I got a couple of them already. I've been having a lot of problems with .0. The trigger's been sticking. I've had it apart a zillion times. Put a little Vaseline on the O-ring. It's been working good for me now. But I thought, you know what? It's okay. But that's a $30 airbrush. And you know what, guys? You don't need a high dollar airbrush to do these. I mean, you don't. I've got a Pache. I don't hardly use it because the hose hookup's a little different from a compressor. And I thought, you know, it's cool. You got a nice one, great, but you don't need to buy a high dollar one to do, especially what we're doing. So anyways, we got the Iwata. This showed up the other day. So we got the high performance HP/C Plus. So this looks like a pretty nice little get up here. I've not opened it yet, so I'm going to do an unboxing for you because I don't know what's in the box either other than an airbrush. And it doesn't come with hose or nothing, so I thought, whew, that's kind of shocking, you know. But so anyways, that's what we got in the mail. Nothing like having packages show up on the porch when you come home. I love that. Don't you like that? That's cool. So anyways, let's go over to the bench and let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside. We'll go from there. So let's take a look. So does the fine and medium detail? I guess this does a really, really small, very small, precise line. So this is my first Iwata. I've never owned one before. So we're going to open this up and unbox it. Let's see here. Oh, we got tape here. Okay, so we can get this opened up here. Yes. Is that a decal? That is awesome. Yes, it is. Sweet. I like that. Got our beginnings guide. Paint, paint, paint. And the other language from across the sea. Our QR code we want to need to scan. And this must be a test sheet they did with it. So it gives you an idea how fine of a detail you can do with this. That's cool they put that in there. Oh yes. You know, sometimes I hate when you get that new airbrush, you almost hate to use it. Well, this is a lot heavier than that .0 I have, because they're very similar design. So I'll have to look and see what size needle come with this. Almost looks like a one design fits all. Yeah, so I thought I'd open this up, show you guys a new item for the shop here. Shiny. Yeah, it looks nice. Boy, that feels really good. Like I said, 9-day different from my other gun. And it's nice I can put my MAC valves on here and I could still use my .0 if I need to. I can just swap the hoses around. Yeah, so looking forward to using this. I'm going to try her out. Alright guys, just a quick mail call today. See what comes in the mail. And like I say, we're going to put this to use here soon and see how she works out. Alright guys, we're going to wrap this video up. So I appreciate you guys tuning in and checking out the channel. Like I say, this airbrush is pretty nice. So I think it's going to be a pretty nice little unit. Added one of these quick connect couplers on here with the MAC valve. If you guys don't run these, they're highly worth it. I really recommend them. Just even to clean it, I mean, sitting there, instead of untwisting it, you know, it's just away you go. Saves the time and no mess. So, All right, so once again, I appreciate you guys checking out the channel and tuning in. And you guys have a good one, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.